This video will show how energy-efficient MI EnergyCore windows are manufactured with state-of-the-art equipment and processes in Prescott Valley, Arizona. The first step in the process is the assembly of the insulated glass panel. The glass comes to the factory in bundles of 120 sheets of glass that weigh 2,000 pounds. A single sheet of glass is deployed to a drop table that allows the sheet to be fed into an optimized glass cutting machine. Using computerized optimization software, the sheet is cut in an order that minimizes scrap. After the glass is cut, a worker separates the pieces and places them onto a cart. The glass panels are then moved to the insulating glass assembly line, where the panes are loaded into a washer, where the glass is washed with a very low solid water and dried through a bank of air knives. Next, a warm edge insulating spacer is applied to one glass panel. The top panel is added, and then the panel is fed into a multi-roller press to achieve a consistent bond across the full perimeter of the spacer. The panels are fed through a secondary sealing applicator that applies a thick layer of butyl sealant around the full perimeter of the unit. The completed panel is loaded onto a cart for delivery to the assembly area. The next step is the assembly of the window frame and sash. Frame and sash pieces are cut to size, milled, drilled, and punched in preparation for welding. The frame and sash components are loaded into a fully automated welder. A 4-point fusion welder heats the ends of the frame parts to over 300 degrees, which are then held together under pressure and cooled to form a fusion welded corner. The welded frames are then cleaned in a 4-head, 12-tool CNC corner cleaner. Then hardware and component parts are added. The frames receive weep hole covers and sill tracks, and the sashes are fitted with weather stripping, locks, tilt latches, pivot bars, and rollers. The last part of the fabrication is the final assembly of the window components. Glass panels are glazed into the frame and sashes using a laser-guided glazing machine that applies a metered bead of silicone. The panels are then placed into the frames, and glazing beads are snapped into the exterior of the frame to hold the panels tight and finish the window. The sashes are then installed into the frames. NFRC and banner labels are affixed, and then the windows are loaded on carts and are moved to the packaging area. In the packaging area, the windows are inspected and cleaned, and then cardboard corner protectors are added before being fed through a custom-fit poly bagging machine. This packaging ensures that the windows arrive to the job site in the same condition they leave the factory. The windows are then loaded into a truck and battened down securely for shipment. If you have questions or want more information, go to our website at www.mienergycore.com.